Carbon. Carbon is very much essential. All living things on earth contain carbon. The word carbon is derived from a Latin word called carbo, which means coal. Carbon is available in the form of food and wood such as fossil fuels, methane gas and crude oil. It is represented as C612. Here 6 is its atomic number and 12 is its atomic mass. Its electronic configuration will be 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. We all know that carbon has 6 protons, 6 neutrons and 6 electrons. Carbon is placed in the 14th group and in the second period. The valency of carbon is 4. Hence, it is called tetravalent. Carbon is also called as greenhouse gas, which means carbon dioxide in the atmosphere traps the heat close to the earth. So, in this way, they will conserve the solar energy. In the next video, we will discuss about bondings in carbon.